Hi guys, thanks for joining. I'm back here and I've been doing a lot of stuff lately, enjoying what's left of the summer. And today I'm going to, try to make a video on my process. There's my son, gotta love him, of making baby dolls. I am a reborn doll artist, and overall I've been making dolls for over 20 years. Always loved dolls, and more into that later. The first thing I do as a reborn artist is neutralize the kit, and I'm going to speed it up here and there just to show that it is very time consuming and it's a lot of labor of love. So always start off with a good canvas, and that's what I'm doing right now. Once you have the layer on your vinyl kit, it's not permanent. We're talking strictly for oil Genesis paints. It's not on there permanently, so now's your time to get it as even as possible and make sure you get it in all the nooks and crannies as you can, because it is very difficult, it's next to impossible to get it off after it's baked. So make sure you look it over a million times. And also, it's so important to make sure that you let it all dry completely, let all the limbs dry completely. Sometimes I'll leave it overnight just to make sure it's absolutely perfectly dry before I bake it, because you don't want any shine or lose any texture. And I'll teach you more about that later. So enjoy the rest of the day, and I'll talk soon.